Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to uninstall multiple installed apps with just single click in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have tons of application already installed on my Android smartphone. So say I want to delete this and this applications all at once. So what I need to do is to just open the Play Store. And now just click on your Google account profile icon. Now here you will see manage apps and device. Just click on it. Now here you will see manage option. Just click on it. Now it will show all the installed apps or games present on your respective Android smartphones. So by default it will show it in the recently updated manner. So you can click on this option. You can select sort by name, most used or least used or by size. So I'm gonna select it by name and say let me choose all the applications that I want to uninstall. So say I want to uninstall these 4 applications all at once. So what I need to do is just select all the applications. So once you have selected all the applications, on the above you will see here one delete button. Just click on it. Now just click on this uninstall. So you can see all the 4 different applications which I have selected are being uninstalled all at once. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily uninstall multiple installed apps with just single click in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.